When we first started hosting, we had no idea how to build a direct booking website, let alone one that could actually accept bookings, sync with Airbnb and VRBO, and actually look like we wanted it to look. But over the last 3 years, we've actually done it. And today we want to show you exactly how and the steps that it takes to build your own direct booking website. And over the last 3 years, since we did our original video setting up our initial website, there have been some major updates that it wasn't able to do before. So this is your full 2026 walkthrough on how to build your own direct booking website, no technical skills required. So if you're new to hosting and short-term rentals, you might be like, why do I need my own direct booking website? Well, we didn't use one at first. For the first year, we did not have one. But it wasn't until the algorithm started to shift on Airbnb that we noticed like, hey, we actually need to take some of the control back and be able to accept bookings outside of those platforms. For some reason, Airbnb stopped choosing to show our listing for some reason. And that's what led us down this rabbit hole. And it really led me down like Google searching and watching YouTube videos. There weren't many YouTube videos back at the time on this subject, but after doing extensive research, I landed on one platform that was the best fit for our use case. What I was originally planning to do, because I knew it, was build a Squarespace website. And then on that Squarespace website, I was gonna have like a widget that said book now, and that would require me paying for Squarespace, and then also me paying for a booking website. That was 2 payments. I didn't wanna have that. I wanted to have the whole back end of being able to accept reservations, do payments, emails, checking codes, messaging, liability insurance, all of that stuff, and a website all in one platform. And that is what we ended up finding. Now, before we go any further, let me just tell you a little bit about us. We are Kristen and Michael, and over the last 4 years, 4 years? Yeah, 4 years? Yeah. And over the last 4 years, we have slowly been building our short-term rental business from the ground up. We bought a house, we renovated it ourselves. We've been learning from our mistakes on how to make our home as profitable as it can be. And we've been taking you along that journey every step of the way. Daily maintenance of the house to building direct booking websites to teaching you how to market your direct booking website on social media. We've been doing it all on this channel. So if you like this kind of stuff, feel free to hit subscribe, and we have tons of content coming your way. So the reason that we chose Lodgify over all of the other booking platforms that are out there was because when I was doing my research 3 years ago, and it still remains to this day to be the best option, I believe, that it has a custom website builder that actually looks good. That was my biggest thing. I didn't want it to look cheesy. I didn't want it to look stock. I wanted to be able to customize my own website, but not have to code. They have an amazing booking engine that is so simple to use. They have an amazing channel syncing between Airbnb and VRBO and booking.com. And we've also been able to push the limits of what their direct booking website can do. And we've added blogs. It was really robust and customizable, but the biggest thing that made me want to use Lodgify was they do have a free trial. And that was the biggest thing. I was like, I want to see what this is all about. So they offer a 7-day free trial to test out with no obligation. And this allowed me to like explore the platform, to poke around, view the functionality of the direct booking website, like how far could I take this, see the interface, see what it's like, see if I actually wanted to use it. And they also offer an optional demo call. If you're unsure, which I was unsure, and I was asking questions like, can I still use things like Price Labs? Now they have built-in smart pricing software, their system, but back then they did not. And that was one of my biggest questions. And yes, they have a host of other third-party companies that you can use. So that was answered on that trial call. The sales specialists show you the ropes. They can walk you through it. That was really kind of what sealed the deal for me, was having this free trial and being able to like go in and poke around and see if I actually liked it. And this was all before I paid. This was like me being able to go in. I didn't feel pressured by the salesperson. It was actually like really lovely. So once I decided to spend the money, we originally started with a professional plan, but now we are on the ultimate plan just because we love all of the features at our disposals. Once you sign up, it unlocks everything, and you have a free onboarding service call. This is like the biggest thing for me, is because back then and now, we just had our first kid. I work full time. I don't have a lot of extra time to figure out a new platform. Like honestly, figuring out social media pages, figuring out new websites every day. I was like, oh my gosh, this is a whole thing. I didn't want to have to worry about that. So this is an awesome perk of Lodgify. They have a free onboarding support call on top of the one that you can do with the demo call when you sign up for the free trial. They connect your listings to Airbnb, VRBO, any other platforms platforms, they help you get that connection made so that when there's a booking on your direct booking website, it doesn't ruin your Airbnb bookings. When you have a direct booking on VRBO, it doesn't mess up your calendar on your direct booking websites. Like honestly, so here's how it's laid out. Lodgify acts as a central hub. VRBO feeds into it, Airbnb feeds into it, book.com feeds into it. And the information that's in here is sent out to all the other platforms. So honestly, we only really need to go into Lodgify. We never really need to go into our Airbnb dashboard to deal with our calendars, to deal with our messaging. And during this call, they set up that syncing between all of the different platforms. And this is called the channel manager on the left side of the back end, and it keeps everything centralized in one place. It's super helpful. Another thing is if you use dynamic pricing like Price Labs, they'll show you how to integrate it with Lodgify. Alternatively, Lodgify now has its own dynamic pricing tool that you can enable, which automatically adjusts your rates. Help you set that up. This call also helps you go over basic property settings, booking settings like check-in, check-out times, rules. They also show you how to navigate their reservation system. And essentially by the end of this call, your account is ready and connected for you to start building your website. Caveat, this onboarding call, they do not help you build your website. I don't know if they do that for you, if they can do that for a fee. I'll have to check on that. They also help you make a custom URL and they help you set it all up. So in that onboarding call, you don't have to worry about going to GoDaddy and paying for a domain URL and all that stuff. They help you set it up in that onboarding call, which is so nice. This is basically the end of them helping you set up your direct booking website. They actually do make it really easy to do all on your own, because when you go to set up your direct booking website, they have templates that you can just be like, I like this one, let me just use this one. But they have two options. You can automatically import all of the data from Airbnb or VRBO. It'll pull all of your description, all of your listing information, all of your photos, and it'll just populate that website template. And you don't even have to really worry about it. You just pick the template, and there's a handful of templates that look pretty good. But for me, I wanted something more custom for us because we have such a specific branding. So I manually inputted all of the information because I wanted to be in control of where information was, which pages were which, what colors were which. So I chose a template, and then I went in and deep dove into all of the settings, changing the colors. There's Google fonts that you can use. It's really as deep as you want to take this for the look and feel of your website. The way we have ours set up is we have a home page that looks really nice. We have an overview page, then we have a gallery page, then we have an availability, which is basically a calendar. Then we have rates, and it just has our cancellation policy, security deposit policy. We have a shop because we have merch and stuff that we sell. We have a contact, we have a blog, and there's a book now button. So you can really lay this out however you want, but that's how we have it laid out. Now, you can do this with multiple properties, which is amazing. Your direct booking website will list all of the units. Let's say you had a duplex or a fourplex. Each one can have its own, it's like on Airbnb, how there's different photos that you can click into. There's different properties, you can set that up. It's super easy. Another thing that you can do, if you do want to go down the route that I almost did with Squarespace or something like that, Lodgify also works as a widget that you can customize how you want it to look, and then it'll give you an HTML code that you can then go and place on an external website. So when somebody clicks through to it, they can come through to the Lodgify to complete the booking and be in the system that way. All the templates are mobile friendly. You can add your logo, you can add your fonts, you can add your branding. We added a little favicon up top so that when people come to our page, there's a custom little thing at the top of your browser bar. Once you have all of that information in there, you can go in and deep dive a little bit more into the booking rules. Go within Lodgify and go under your rentals, go under settings for the property to adjust the booking rules. This is where you can set your check-in times, your check-out times, how far in advance guests can book, your minimum stays, your instant booking preferences. Now this is if you're not using a thing like Price Labs, but you can do all of this in here. You can set up your payment processing so you can take credit card bookings. We have our payments set up. We get paid through Stripe. So the way we have our direct booking website set up is in order for somebody to book our property, they have to request it. We ask them a question like, what brings you to the area and how many people will be in your party? If we get good vibes from that booking request, we will accept it. They have to put down 50% of the booking at the time of the reservation in order to have that go on our calendar. So unless somebody pays 50% of the booking, they do not get the reservation held. We also charge a $500 security deposit, and this helps mitigate anybody who's coming to maybe do damage to your property. They're like, oh, I don't want to put my credit card down and have $500. Usually it's not that big of a deal. We've never had an issue with anybody over the hundreds of guests we've had stay through our direct booking website, and it comes off as soon as they check out. So we get our payments through Stripe. You can get it through Stripe or PayPal if you prefer. The only thing about having your direct booking website is you are the bank for this. When somebody books with Airbnb, they hold the money until after the stay, the first night of the stay, and then it's released. With your direct booking website, it works like we have 50% at the due at signing, and then 7 days before they have to complete that second payment. But those two payments, we have to hold in our own bank account. If somebody wants to cancel, we have to make sure that we don't spend that money. So that is one little thing to keep in mind when having your own direct booking website, is that you are the bank. You need to not spend the money before the reservation, just in case they have to cancel for some reason and you want to give a refund. One thing that we love about Lodgify is the automated messages. We have them set up. From the guest experience, they communicate through email, but for us, it's in the dashboard or on the mobile app, which is really great. Actually, the mobile app on Lodgify, it's come leaps and bounds from where it was. It has an amazing AI feature where we write out like, yeah, sure, that's fine, just be out by 11:30. And we press the button and it makes it sound really nice and cordial. That is something that Airbnb does not have, and we love that feature on Lodgify. It makes responding to guests and sounding professional that easy. It handles check-in messages, check-out messages, welcome messages, instructions, just like Airbnb's system is. All of this stuff is the same in your direct booking website, but it's sent to them through emails, and if they opt in, through text messages. So one of the things they suggest once you're all done, before you go live, and they suggest doing a quick test booking, and they have a walkthrough on how to do that on the back end of the website. It's basically a $0 booking. So you can test out and see if the payment processing works. You can see if the communication works, all that stuff. I mean, it was scary. Getting our first booking through our direct booking website was scary, but over the last 3 years, we have not had a single issue, and our guests have been great. And also, an amazing thing about Lodgify's website builder is before you press go live and publish your website, there is a preview feature on the website builder, so you can see in real time what your website looks like before publishing it. It's basically just like any other website builder, so you can type things out, see how it's gonna look on the website before it gets pushed out if you already have your website live. So some new things that they have added since we started using Lodgify: they have AI-powered guest messaging, which I talked about, which is amazing. They have smart lock integration. It's basically all of the smart locks that Airbnb uses, the integrations. Lodgify uses that as well for your direct bookings, so you can automate all of that. They have built-in dynamic pricing, which is new. They have improved channel integration, so they now include bookings.com and Google Vacation Rentals, which we are both on, which is amazing. It puts us in more places. They have a new built-in payment system called Lodgify Payments that lets us handle guest payments without third-party merchants accounts. That is something we still need to set up because that is new, and I did not know that. So I need to set that up. We're learning here, guys. Although this was the best solution for us for a direct booking website, you need to understand that your direct booking website does not have discoverability like other platforms, Airbnb or VRBO. So the point and the way that we use our direct booking website is we promote ourselves on social media. You're watching this video, we have people that watch our YouTube videos, they book our property. You need to put effort in to get people to book your property, or it's a great way to get repeat guests to book your property again through your direct booking website. And this saves you on all of those Airbnb fees because they do not charge you a fee. You pay the yearly premium fee for your website and the website builder and everything. If you're using Stripe, it's whatever Stripe's transaction fee is. If you're using their built-in payment gateway, it's 30 cents per transaction. So it's great. We love it. So I know there are a lot of options out there, but I figured I would share this with you because this has been so great for us in our business. And if you've been thinking about creating a direct booking website somewhere else that people can book your property outside of Airbnb, outside our VRBO, this is truly the best all-in-one platform that I could find on the internet. If you have a different opinion, let me know in the comments down below. Are there better options out there? I haven't found one. And remember, you can start with the free trial. That's what we did. And we also have a special discount if you want to use it. Use our code KM20 in the description description down below. You can find that and a link where you can sign up, try it today. You're probably gonna ask, how do you avoid the nightmares and all the, you hear squatters, all that stuff. We did another video about that with our complete setup through our system. So I'll link that here. So hopefully we answer some of those questions there. But we love Lodgify and you will too. So go build your own direct booking website, take control back of your business, build repeat customers like we have, and build your own brand, build your own website, build your own look, and let us know. Drop us a comment down below. What does your direct booking website look like? We will link ours in the description down below as well if you want to go and peruse it. Yeah, so really just wanted to do an update because I did one of these videos a few years ago, but there's so many new features and I really, really want other hosts out there to know that they can build it. It's easy. Lodgify will help you and it doesn't take a rocket scientist to do this. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.